Ntwana yami, kampani.
Mnandi dog.
Azipha izinto sokhuluma ngazo ufanda khaphoza yami.
Hey ndoda.
Shubile.
Hey.
Weekend kushubile. During the week. During the week yabe kwe.
Siqale ngamagame.
Kwenzakala into ebhaya ntwana yami.
Game la Saturday. Orlando Pirates, Lioli. Yeah.
Diodi.
Yeah, Lioli or Dioli.
Team yaseLesotho.
Zulu China team. Small team.
Yeah, small team. Yeah, we run more than them.
Yeah. Manje small team kamba.
Amagents agamile. Bekigame eGrain Fair abonile team esingayicavi. Sicavi from Lesotho asazi ukuthi badlala kanjani, but I think video analysis from the technical team is panel.
Yeah.
Because of if you check the first half, very tacticality ukuthi like team iview kanjani le team yaseLesotho badlala kanjani, style of play, ba approach game kanjani. Bonile like bekuma ngathi le team yas attack kanti asabsorb pressure. So ama-agents feel maintainile that then sekona ubonile. The rest was history.
We Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Mabasa. Yeah, no, chief. Hey, le game leliana
khukhile.
Yeah, mara mina bengazi ukuthi siwina la. Angifuni ukuringa ngapha. Second league sazoba trapa VV.
Vandag.
Ngifuna ukuthi bashayelini. For ukuthi coach abithi our players are overrated. So yasidelela kahle.
I think mfethu ama-agents nabo yabona leya team leya akusi ayikho bad.
No, team ayikho bad
because ngisho kaso khona ama-player akhona ukuhlanganisa ngibonile.
Do you know why? Do you know yazi in advantage leya team bayibukela iPirates.
Yeah.
Angithola.
Yeah.
And iPirates ayibukeli leya team leya. They had to see ama-video kancane ukuthi badlala so style of play sabo so those guys they watch Pirates, they know ukuthi Pirates so mabayenza ama-mistake, so mabayenza into eGrain mayihlangana Master Chef uReal yabo Ozwin bayacaba ukuthi kwenzakalani. So for bona the easier ukuthi ba-prepare for the game than for iPirates ukuthi prepare for the game because yazi mfana ama-video ngeke urely kuma-video.
Yeah,
because uzobona iplayer uthi le player limnandi simbone ku-YouTube bamgaye 90 then sibone ukuthi akunabantu.
Yeah, I think dile ngileyo show leyo analysis le ama-video. Into yenza-ke vele ngilona ngale game le probably vele bebabheke ama-player afana nabo Siphombolo ukuthi bazocala negame. Fani nafo Siphombolo akadlalanga. So like ucoach uze neplan lakhe naye somehow. Uqale ngomuntu ubuya ku-injury wamlahlela. Tito Maswangane. Amlahlela into engayincanyanga ama-fans wethu.
Hey mfana.
Babuka uMaswangane. Ile ngileyo Cochrane. Khawathi player ju. I mean like ucoach uyazi wayamfieldile uTito. Uyazi ukuthi wayamlahlelile la. Yeah, understand. Uyamazi mfethu because of nakhona vile kumele abuyise in confidence yabantwana because of we all sabona ukuthi vele iform kaNtwana libe liya deep.
And we know why.
Isa understand why. Ubuya ku injury.
Akusinjani
vile.
Akusinjani.
Yabo.
Siyazi ukuthi why.
So uNtwana
legend leya.
Oh leya.
Yeah, keep number 10.
Aish.
Problem. So manje ilegend ringa blind ngoNtwana and lapho phela ku-peak yeform. Lapha yana bekumele aringe eGrain. Motivate. Ukuthi intwana ichubeke, iPirates ichubeke ijele idlala ibe mnandi. But ilegend ke yena ke yabo.
Maka you know what they say yakere. Kara ile nyabore au discourage a certain player. We it's all like even more hungry.
Yeah, but
so like Ntwana yena tlamela fixe mentality ya mindset.
Yeah, mara yena mkhawathile makafeli yabo. But then ayilento yokubhuyaza mfana
ama-fans yakhe
bayenzeni ngomrime against Sundowns first league MTN 8.
first appearance yakho Ntwana.
Bambuyile akhumbula kule game makabheka ngefinal
Abo prove wrong.
beka man of the match.
That's how kumele respond. I think notithi uyayidinga le nto ukuthi yazini kumele respond.
Nozoyithola uzobuya Ntwana uzoba grand yabo.
Because of I think
yazi ma on form mfana kumele udlale basic football.
Because I think ngide ngile no relay yamenzakalela ngide ngile. Considering the fact ukuthi ama offers nani idlala ngomqondo wakhe yabo but Ntwana akekho happy nani.
And mina ngizokutshela hayi ukuthi urile idlala ngayi rating ne. Media yiyo emikhawatha yena probably kenganandaba nalama off uyabona ufuna ukudlala kulama country uyazi ukuthi ufunani uyazi ukuthi ufuna ukuyavanga idisk lakhe but then yazi media yangayi bazokukhawathela iplayer.
I think ama-agents kumele adinga i-training in terms of ilona media bacavuka endlela like izinto eziphuma from ku-media because of nazo zine-impact ku-play yakho.
Simple example usale
yabo and ayibona kasale ngegroti nayo indaba yegroti
hayi sizuza kuyo le.
So like vele i-game Saturday 3-0 yes we won but then coach from the other team ama-comments wakhe after match
you don't say such things.
And
like ukhawatha ama-player awakhe
ama-player
amanye mele azimakethe.
Exactly.
Pirates mele wabona so Pirates izofuna ukuspana kanjani nomuntu okhuluma kushuthi there are things abazikhuluma ezi-worse.
Exactly.
Ngithola
exactly because of that ku-grand for ukuthi ama-player aphuze i-threat akhulume izinto nyana ezidizi nge-team ethize yabo.
Leyo it's fine.
It's mind games yabo so like i-grand but then for i-coach akhuluma into so uyilahlile so like ne-coach yethu irespondile phela ukwatile
uterminator
atayi labantu laba kumele yabona namhlanje Orlando kumele befeel ukuthi bangene esigodini no
ngomele
because of coach loya uthi eOrlando sobashaya lapha
ngicabanga
ngetayi
inesibindi le uthi le
lo muntu ubuye lusuthu uzotshela thina ukuthi uzoshaya esigodini
mina yenza kanjani at least mangabe udle something nje ezosenza ukuthi ke maybe CBDs man.
So I think for me now if you being predictor le game la vandag mina iwokova mfethu I don't think ukuthi ngizolibukela lela game lela mara for pusha whatever kumele ngiyiphusha kumele ngilibheke nje
ngizolibukela
yabo
sawina 5-0
enye into vele we all know vele sibonile vele ama headlines ayasho ukuthi Ntwana uzoba ngekho vandag une minor injury and whatnot yabo but then because of vele ulibela dlala ngelona nge-stripping
I think after the game le Sundowns
lili second semi-final
second
bekangekho mnandi vele so I think vele kumele bam-protect ingabi wesi injury
yabe grand ngoba isomdinga at the later stage of the season lapho yila vele i-Pirates ecale ngathi yasuke simdinga
so like I think vandag game la vandag Pirates imele izwinele lona bazitholele i-position lapha kuma-group stages into
engayisho second preliminary
I think izoba khona but then izoba motivate ukuthi bapush yabo so
basinike ijwaning yethu naye
ijwaning this time around angiboni ukuthi sohlangana nayo I think sohlangana ne-team yabo Mali Angola uKhongo somewhere cabanga kanjalo makamabeze
la mara you see no manje my brother after we played our first leg so we na 3-0 bangena bomakhi ke balandela bomakhi
abomakhelwane badlala nani
badlani
yabona sengikhohle
team
Angola alabo bona
Khambani da
alabo bona mfethu
Khambani da i-village.
First things first labo ucoach after leya loss leya esikhukhuni ucoach bathi amaphepha this amaphepha that coach apparently ucoach usasengayiye eMzansi akakahambi usasengayiye eMzansi ucoach
bafuna ucoach achubeka
asazi kuphuma amaruma yada sebathi bafuna the Spanish guitar ngithi hawu sakafuna iSpanish guitar kwenzakalala lapha bathi
Jose Rivero
wena
ngeke bamthola Jose Rivero ngimbone bathi uya kuSimba
ngoba ufake ivelo hambile so like Jose uthi akabuyi ngayini
uthe makabuya ngayini uyibhaka
so laba mangibheka leya game leyane K-Sharp nemakhinyabo zitha kwineko limele kuyenzakala izinto ezibhaya maka mina ngingasho ngathi ubani le
Miguel
captain
ngazile uthi ukhuluma ngaye
ngiyakhala ngale captain ngifela ngisupport because nemaka captain captain mfethu captain ama necessary fouls akekho
le ne character ini yabo mara talent umbatha
mfethu angazi man no coach man no coach wakho Chiefs man no man umbeka kanjani
ubani coach Chiefs zi3 ziya
umbeka kanjani ukwinika ngaphandle udlalisa uMiguel no Eden ubani Eden Mekhethi sasentwana leyo ifaka ku depend sasentwana leyo
basathi and ubuya ku
injury
that's my thing Chiefs bebadlalile bawina bebadlala ngokwinika no Eden bekakhona in some of the games but then uyabona ukuthi okay Eden mnandi kwinika mnandi wayabangabadlalisi bethu baphumuze ibade ngoba ayibade
alikho mnandi ayibade alikho mnandi
because nale uCross naye uyadlala
yeah
Cross player Cross bekumele ngoba umnyana ulimele ngoba ngathi bayakhala nangoFrozler bacova umakho uke washaya right back kuPirates bamtshela ukuthi ntwana yami sicela ukuthi usibambele ngada kancane yawuthi yakho lobuya nayo ngayi isalimele yabo sibambele udlale la then balungisi
defense
nasemidlilini mele man kunezinto ezenzakalayo la uOx i-defensive midfielder but
udlala ama-back pass leyo
akakwazi ukuphasa
udlala ama-back pass the only pass computer grade 100% i-back pass akayi direct phambili
akakwazi
and makayithola ufuna ukudlala emasayidini awaluzi
akathi mina bengithi mabamfaka kumele bamtshele ukuthi awuthiya mawuceda ukuwina ibhola lola phase yekela njalo phasa lola or batshela abantwana ukuthi mangabo uku-situation ukuthi uyamaka sondelani so that in case if uyaluwina nibe duze ukuthi akhona tango yakhona ukuvala ntanga bugathuso mfethu bekungasizinja but bebazi ukuthi ukwazi ukumaka
positional play yakhe
bekanama player azodlala yena makathola ibhola bekanika ama player adlalayo so Ox cause ngiyabona ngathi bayamthanda ngcono mama bamfaka abocele abondlovu abomdu abomodi Lepo Sirino evodlala babatshela ukuthi ebafethu sondelana kulo muntu lo kuthi azonigayidisiki makaceda ukulwina nigayibhola nena nenza izinto yena span sakho ushayile ucedile siyazi ukuthi into ayenzayo akusubuscuits ukuthi
angalishika
ngithola alithi
control game
uyangithola but then kumele bafixe imidlilo yabo
so mawubhekile wena bacanga ukuthi ubani umuntu ongaba leyo player le ethi hayi coach mina ngiphakamisa isandla
kuChiefs
kuChiefs la inkabini
no akekho
abanayo should mele bayosign mele bayiship mele bayothenga
bebasitshela ukuthi uThabo Cele uzoyile player le akusile lo player le if bacabanga ukuthi yena ilelo player le
udinamanye ama player
ushota ngasomeone azodlala naye azocomplete whatever bafuna
so don't you think ukuthi mfethu kungaba nalelo player lelo elingathi hayi le ngiyayifosta ngifuna ukuyenza lento ngimele ngiyenze la ngibe yi-playmaker ngidlale ngenza i-team ukuthi ithike
kuChiefs no balilungile
ubani
uzwana
lo besidlala naye le rugby stadium
bamlungile bayamga umdumfana bayamgale ya role ya
but then umduba bamdlalisa position ilona
number 10
and uvela from the left hand side
most
of the time uvela ngala so mina bengibheka ukuthi kungaba uye loyo muntu loyo but then I think ucoach de bafuna ukumdlalisa kakhulu, ufuna ukumdlalisa more offensive, adlale behind ubani le tower le yabo le ende le. Ubani le
Lilepo.
Flavio. Bafuna ukumdlalisa behind yena kube second striker. Of which is uNtwana. I-problem kaNtwana i1. uNtwana uholder too much. Yeah. Uyakhona uku-eliminate angene afike kuma dangerous zone. But then makubela shaye flop. Akakhona ukuthi
imbonile le game le galance nala.
Yeah.
Disk khona what shaya ibhola elizila washaya into zabo Spanba.
Ngaleyo incident leyo ngahlangana nenye comment ethi hallo uholder too much akaphasi. At the end of the day uzoyenza into right maka at the end of the day uzoflop. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uNtwana udinga umuntu makayenza kaso ube nomuntu ovela spacing.
Yazi ukuthi abubani lawo.
Yangithola.
Kubalele bo. Bafaka uZwana. Bafaka uMdu. Bathi ucela.
Abe guys yeah.
Got iskele.
La kunontshebe khona.
Yeah. La kudlala uOx khona. But Thabo sicela usiplomele la.
Hlala lapho.
Sidlalela idisk da. And uyambona ukuthi Thabo ucela uthanda ukudlala amaphasi.
Exactly.
Yangithola uyabona uthanda bese bathi Mdu noZwane or uNkosiphile Ngcobo. Okay, uZwane uvayile uselonini. Mdu Ngcobo. Mfundo ayimele bathola iplayer naye ngoba manje noModi ngathi naye
akafuni ukudlala loyo.
Uyabaphuza.
Akafuni ukudlala loyo.
Mele bathola iplayer lizodlala asithi Gustin. Serino simbeke nje la.
Serino naye ufuna udinga iplayer elukuthi lizomcompliment style of play sakhe.
Uyabona i4-1-4-1 bazoba mnandi. Thabo cele i4 yakhe le lapha phambi kwakhe Nkosimphile Mduodai Mfundo Gustin. Noma bangayenza interchange it's fine. Then striker ukhanyisa manje. Cause le striker sabo lese bathi
Flavio uchayisa amagoli yangimbonile.
Ngono bafaka ukhanyisa manje azolighta something ngabi na.
At least na something ukhanyisa uyacava irole yakhe.
Yeah, yabona.
Uyacava. Experience TV.
Manje mfana phela ungakhohlwa nalabo coach bafuna ukuziprove.
Exactly.
Ukuthi okay nabi ball failed athina siyangena abo nabo case nabo bani
ukazi
kazi bayenzani bazongena bayenza into yabo but then maka mina I'm happy ukuthi they drop points yabo in the league.
Right. Right. Alabanye abobhuti ngara eMarabastad
ngithi ngiza kubo la.
Labo.
Laba yana mina ndanguzwa ngithini mina ngisasho namanje Mamelodi Sundowns there's no coaching happening there
before siya kubo lapho angitshela now that izinto ziso sesiyabona ukuthi okay lawo seba exposed lawo baseMarabastad ba exposed ileague mase izophela kuzoyenzakalani mawubhekile awubala bazo enhle kama contender because of okay sharp isikhukhwini they having a good run ngiyababona bamnandi abakaluzi phela labo badlala i-draw singakhohlwa badlala i-draw yabo so ama contender for league ngaba aboba
for me
mase sithi senza ama predictions
for me
yeah
azoba yi2
ubani lobani
Pirates ne Sundowns.
Okay, why?
Ngibona isikhukhuni sifika la. Okay, asenze so. Do you think in the second league ye Pirates nesikhukhuni sizodla Pirates? Based on the first game that we played.
Ngiyibona.
Do you think they can beat Sundowns?
In isikhukhuni?
Yeah.
Angazi.
Ungathi draw.
Maka ngiyabelieve ukuthi ungayenza ka something. What I know
I sit at home. Can they beat Sundowns ePitori?
Ngeke.
Uyangithola?
Ngeke.
Yabona ama game la kanjani? Yiwo azodetermine ukuthi ubani uyava. iPirates phela yamoshula iStellenbosch bivila sizi. Uyangithola? Ila ma team lawa a strong mara
mlilo wamaphepha
mara yabo
Mlilo wamaphepha.
osikhukhule ngaba ngo number 3 4 i-Chiefs indaba yabo angiyiboni kahle ukuthi
Chiefs imele sicave style of play sabo bacave ukuthi abobana ama-player abangawinisa amagame. Chiefs ayikakabi ne-player elizobawinisa amagame.
no abangibhelele ngoba guy formation ngoba guy into grand
Chiefs mfethu inama-player grand.
into
It's just that
bengisho
ukuthi
from
nje,
dala
iphilosophy yabo coach ama-player confused Joe.
that's what I was saying from dala ukuthi akuna problem ukuthi hey ama-player kusangana ama-player
ama-player confused because of no
awuthiyami uJose Rivera uthatha indwana inexperienced wazithi pa ku-Pirates zadlala zaba-grand players aba-experienced lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs bahluleka ukudlala coaching bafethu
athi sibabone la
coaching
Marabastad United the Yellow Nation
labo
mina labo mfethu green mamele ngeNovember ngegame lethu nje ngifuna ukubona something ngale game lethu
azi mina ngisho
because of the Pirates ne khona ama-player kumele approve point yangithola kule team leya yangithola
ngiyazi ngiyakuthola maka mina I wish before sizodlala nabo Sundowns 2 draws before igame lethu let's say igame lethu les-3 maybe sizodlala nabo les-4 badlala ama-draw ayi-2 bawinile i-1 bese badlala ne-Pirates
bazoluza ku-Pirates ibeke straight
vele sobaqanda
bacala lapha lesigudlini
sobaqanda vele so yazi wisham yazi why kuyi-wisham lady
okay
because of ngiyazi ukuthi kungaba i-advantage for thina ukuthi mina abantu enginendaba nabo noma ngibheki lokho ukuthi Sundowns ishiya ngama-many points yabo abo-Chiefs anginanda sikhukhuni ngiyawacava lama-team lawo uzobona na
maka nenye team ekumele siyibheke iyenza kancane mfethu eyi-TS mfethu now they are having a good run lapho khona intwana laphaya
lithejana
ithejani intwana kaMahlambi samkhumbula uMahlambi intwana yakhe
ngiyayibonile iyabhenga lapha
ifa kushisa
ngiyayibona iyabhenga lapha
maka nawe ngiyacabanga ukuthi okay sharp ukuthi esigalaxy lama-team la vele yazini we are there to distract lama-contender lawo nathi sifuna ukuzibonakalisa
no to distract i-Pirates only bayadonate
lama-team lawa phela no they are fighting ukuthi ba-maintain a-top 8 spot uyibheke green phela no isikhukhuni sisend i-statement ukuthi yazini thina siforemina top 8 the way badlala ngakhona ukuya ngapha I'm not saying ukuthi abana potential yokuwina i-league however benza i-statement ukuthi yazini siyidlile i-Chiefs sashaya i-Pirates shoda ngalaba basePitori yangithola and they know once bashaya i-Sundowns baneseye ukuthi yazini sishayele big 3 nathi we are amongst the big team
ngizithembi lezi zizodla Sundowns
yabo so like it's possible I'm not saying ukuthi
bezinama mistake against the Chiefs but manje Chiefs akusithi
yangithola so like isikhukhune mfethu ukuya ngamne phela ubheke nama-player abadlala ngawo gcwele experience la mna XP Grol XP team yangunderstand ufiku yangithola and then ama-player afana nabo Vusmus jersey number 10 Maghalwa naye une-experience phela Maghalwa
usuka kude usuka le ku-Sundowns
so like nabo mfethu ethi bapose i-threat kwamanye basenda i-message ukuthi hey asizanga la kuzo-add number la siyeza nathi
ngabe i-Pirates isayine uMaghalwa
siyeza nathi but then mfethu okay bayamsayina ungitshele
really number 10
ungitshele
ozwini firepower kumele bangasiboni ukuthi senzani
i-Pirates currently
abosibilibili bayeza kumele bangaboni ukuthi enhle lezi kwenzakalani
i-Pirates ne lama team lawo
ziyakhala ke
Pirates is star-studded team mangayibheka star-studded team singasho sithi Pirates i-Real Madrid angayini star-studded team yangithola so into abayithunayo ukhipha i-star player ungenise i-star player ushilo asoni wathi asiyithi ama-substitute
singama impact players.
Whenever bangene phela 2 games esiwawinayo so winner from ebenchini wibheke Grand
I think
naleli la midweek league silwine ebenchini
I think uTerminator ngowapolice.
what into a good no Terminator is that ukhona ugridi game
Yeah,
and tactical untswe because of uyabona ukuthi okay lo akangayile into engimfunayo anyamdonsa in fact ungena wena mawufika la yenza lento ngikutshela yona uzoyibona uzoyenza kanti iyachuneka phela pheka igoli laka apolice ungeneze winga mfethu athike ispace esidayo emaphakathini la center la yangithola that's when ukhona ukubona ukuthi okay lama player lawa akhona ucomplementa each other ukuthi yazi mayisuka ngala kumrimi mayiza ngayi niyazi ukuthi hayi urili ukhona phela ubheki Pirates mayicala i-jump center i-attack baba more offensive and baba dangerous and bane skill wonke ama player ne skill ayathala lapha so like kuba difficult for ama opposition team ukuthi akhone abacanga ukuthi bamakabani kapa lona ngimakalona ukwenza nyaka nje lapha asina strike phela we know for sure ukuthi masidlala ngomahope we don't have a target man sidlala nge-full strike low mood and thina sidlala ngama-cross asidlali ngama-cross sidlala ngama-tapin intonyana ezinjalo yangithola so like Sundowns ama-player wakhona nawo ayabona kule season le angiboni kahle
hayi banama-player right labaya
banama-player grand
labayana badinga i-coach
phela
yeah bazoba right
so like mfethu mawuthi badinga i-coach abo-Steve Kompela mfethu they've been there for isikhathi esila bachuna
decision ka-coach ye-final that's the problem uSteve uthola ukuthi yena ugrand umnandi but naye uzothini ngoba manje uyabona i-coach no uyayibona ukuthi yenzani iyabona ukuthi yazini le ntwana ze-South Africa zingispanile lezi angingispani ngale ntwana lezi ulande 2 players ngibona ngathi balande 2 players sasePortugal ubuyaphi ubuye ePortugal lande zasegasi lakho uyabona ukuthi man leSportuguese lesimele ngisifake ispice kube into
engathi mnandi leyo ba Nuno Santos
number 10
yeah Santos hayi
ngibonile mara ngibonanga kahle
like why ngithi mnandi ne ngibone like first 2 touches yakhe enhleke aceda ukungena okay ngiyabona okay le offensive player ne
usaphapha
number 10 ne
number 10
abazohlangana no-TLB but then I think it's a good signing phela i-replacement ka-Ribeiro the fraudster i-replacement ngada asekebekwa so like ngiyabona ba-replace uRibeiro ngale out le okay sure but siyibona nami angayiboni Grand ngisafuna ukuhlalela phansi ngibheke Grand ukuthi enhle kulozana yabo
hayi nami
ngisafuna ukumbona Grand ukuthi
nale abayisayinile le ngibonile bayi-announce
le yasePortugal yona ngayiboni yona ngibone
usiwe ukuthi bamba kanjani mara bayana mina noma bangasayina ama-players out mina ngisasho nanu iMamelodi Sundowns I believe ku South African football ukuthi we have to take South African football uJose Riveros uzile wasibonisa lady uthatha ama-youngsters uthatha uSleepy wawafaka against iChiefs first debate game yakhe uyangithola ukuthi this is what we have to do for i-national team ukuthi benefit mina I'm all for i-national team
vele
that's what I'm all for
everything is vele kumele kube i-national team benefit i-national team
because abasibali ntanga bakhuluma ngabo-Argentina Spain kumele basibali bataye South Africa i-South Africa ziyashisa lezi ziyashaya zidlale leziya but no izosofika kanjani kuleso stage if ngilanda i-coach ngilanda i-player lasePortugal lelo player lizowina ama-football of the season ama-top goal scorer uyafuna maqeda ufuna ukuvaya whilst une-player na-19 na-20 la ungalicova ulahlele Sundowns i-team eseyizenzele igama nje ugcoka nje ikhithi ye-Sundowns kunama-player feel ukuthi lezi ziyashisa yabo lezi zimnandi ulahlela le ntwana lezi here and there uyalanda ku-development uprepare i-national team i-project lady I believe ile nto enzeka ku-Pirates it's a project because they believe ukuthi lama-youngsters lawo wonke kumele asipanele i-national team but now fika nale sporting director sakho nilanda ama-players South America nilanda ama-players ema-Portugal nilanda ama-player
and abafenza ayakhala
yazi ukuthi bafunani bafuna ukuthi i-Sundowns kahle abafuni South African football to be out there. Bafune Mamelodi Sundowns
ibe da
ukuthi bathi i-team yabo yenza izinto so now it's gonna be a bomb
akushubile
it's gonna be a bomb so
akushubile
they don't believe in a project ukuthi yazi let's work on a project let's develop players let's showcase talent lase South Africa uJose uze nayo weza nayo ukuthi yazi sesiponiseni i-Chiefs used to do that mina ngazi ukuthi manje sekwenzakalani Chiefs used to do that mfethu abuJabu Puli abuJunior Khanye bebabuye kuma-development aboMandla Masango all those players bebabuye ku-development manje ngisunderstand manje
athi sibambe nedda yabo sobuya mbayimbayi sithekile indaba kaSalingi sizokuthi kuyenzakalani
Saling naleya tweet leya
naleya tweet ya tweet leya plus ifaka ukushisa leya ufuna ukuyizwa kahle bafethu sabuya no mask Nivea
for me
roll on roll
my brother what's going on
Saling
the tweet
Saling ngiyayibheka emva ngithuli
ngokusendele ibheka ku-WhatsApp bheka igroupini la ngisendile
fit
bheka le tweet awuyifunde lapho sizwe
athi sizwe
le tweet ithi
ngishubile itseshubile ziyakhala ke manje ke
ziyakhala mntana
ikuphi ubhizi lo nakya
nayi le tweet funda le tweet
ithini le tweet all these podcast platforms that has people on it that haven't kicked a ball at any pro level in their life, giving their opinions on things they've never done on a field before. Tisibone ubani lo tweet lo. Erasmus 95.
Ubani lo tweet.
Erasmus _95. Kermit Romeo. Former Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns. You can name all those teams, baba.
Buya na overseas.
Izakhala ke manje ke. Kren thina sidana ngama opinions. And asikaze safika ku pro level. Izakhala ke manje.
Should bathi siringa kapaya.
Nesikhuluma
ngezinto esingazazi.
Siyaringa nje. So kahle untanga kahle uzama ukuthini yini la implyer makangakathi ngeso. We've never kicked the ball. Yes,
I think
we probably
didn't
reach the pro level.
Yeah, I think maybe he saw something on one of the football podcasts. Maybe bakhuluma ngaye.
Okay.
Yabo, and they said something and he didn't like it. Yabo. So maybe he tweeted with all these podcasts they are talking about something, what, they don't know, they haven't played football, what. But then, here's my problem with the tweet. You are a football. You chose to be a football. Legend of the game. Professional football. Okay, singisusu professional football noma udlala ikasi.
Usadlala.
Mawudlala la ama-fans abukela idisk.
Yeah.
Bazoringa ngawe uthiyami. whether you're doing good
They're doing bad.
or bad. That is why I'm a spectator. Babukela. So wena udlala idiski professional, uyathola umkwabulo wakho umnandi, then people have opinions because of they support those teams.
Yeah.
Or others maybe they're against those teams.
Yeah.
Angeke uhlala udlala grand.
I never.
100%.
I never.
Even no Messi, no
I
Cristiano.
never.
Ngeke bayenze that.
My team are fine.
And they talk. People talk.
And they will always
You
talk.
know
too.
that people talk. You can't go around now posting such things. You would see these podcasts that are talking about things they don't know what. But bakhuluma ngento abayibukelile abayibonayo.
And by intently do my opinions wabo abantu.
Exactly.
Because of now.
So
Sikhuluma whatever le ephuma emqondweni wethu.
the way sibona
ngakho.
when you chose to be a footballer.
Hey.
So that means you chose life ukuthi sizokhuluma ngawo.
So kahle untanga usho ukuthi like lento imply usho ukuthi like lama ex-professional players lawa push ama podcast uthini ngabo.
So uthi kahle uthi bekumele
yibo baringe ngento bayicava.
Yeah, ngoba baringe ngento bayicava
because afika ngo professional level.
Yeah, sifika ngada.
I think biased Joe. I think nama issues untwana mina ukuya.
That is why ngithi kune podcast ngibayibonile.
Azange ngiphathe
grand dating.
But then akumelanga abheshe wonke ama podcast because of mfethu. At the end of the day podcast mfethu sikhuluma lento esiyibonayo njengoba usho and la mfethu sikhuluma
that is why
imqondo yethu.
If you choose to do something ezobonwa yi-public, don't come at them when they say things
Negative
about
things
you
about them,
or yeah, positive and negative.
Yeah.
Like if ngizohlangana naye ngithi hayi Kemit
Inswembu
very good footballer, top footballer. Uzojabula we yeah, thank you what. As much as someone will come and say I bro, you didn't know how to play this thing. Don't say le angijwayela le in either way yena bona ngakhona ungalwisa umuntu ukuthi yena uviewa kanjani into yenza and you choose to do it in a public space like publicly udlala idisc uyazi ama-fans azuza bazokubhuka
and enye into mfethu akumelanga mfethu aposte into nyane so because of lo muntu lo uriche highest level waya even overseas uyeke ngakhe overseas uyekabhaya uvayile wabuya wabuya udlala lama big team ngayini. So lady thing there is like ubhesha ama podcast lawa upcoming podcasts afuna ukuzenzela igama ababuildayo.
So like get me
now we discouragement.
Now you don't have to say anything because of didn't play professional level.
No, I think
so my melesithule noma sibone ukuthi hayi disk lasekasi na
ayikho grand didn't because of no nothing fit dile masithuna asithuni because of sidila nge professional level kuphela. Sifuna uku-uplifta kasi-disk
young
kasi nayo
guys abafuna ukudlala disk jo
untanga hayi mele retracte le statement sakhe mina itema ngiyibona le tweet ngabona ngathi lokwathi
oravula podcast
makayivule at least
yena ngiyakholuma akhulume ngezinto afuna ukuzazi because of now
asiguy perspective ke nge-professional level ukuthi into encane kanjani
oreze yisiringe naye once sihlale naye siringe asitshele ukuthi no lento le mina bengiyibeke sona so that sibone ukuthi okay okukanja mnandi ke
because of now mfethu discourage ama-agents and no ama-agents now mfethu afuna ukuzenzela something.
What do you think about Jose Rivero going to Simba?
Jose El Padre
izoyenza
is
it possible?
El Padre last time mfethu ngikhumbula bathi khona team yase Algeria wada inabakhuluma ngegama Algerian team yamfuna hey yini into ezibhaya nje and no Jose Rivero angeke yezwa comment about such. He's been quiet ne. So like angazi ukuthi kuyenzakala no ngaye. Not sure ukuthi up to ini no yangithola. But then if ever yakusimba
to succeed. Because I feel like Al Ahly abamkayanga chance. Al Ahly they want fast results. Everything quick. And the problem Al Ahly, I'm a legend. They are the problem.
Al Ahly from Dala, akusinto no. Al Ahly yakhenza because of didn't bayenza ngolona ngopitso. Bayenza ngopitso.
They want quick things, man. I don't understand.
And upitso waphendula grand. Fit. Mina I'll only come back there. Mawukuthi ama supporters nama legends they only understand one thing. Football in a lose, in a draw, in a win. In three things. Hey. So if they can't accept all those three, then I'm not coming back.
Then no, then I become
nandi. So they can't always win.
You can't.
Phela la uRivero makaya sharp ubekafuna ukuzenzela igama Club World Cup apinde makaqeda. Yangithola because of uthola team vele sey ida. Obviously pressure didenge.
Mawuthole la team le swag. Swag ngibonile ne Sundowns. Labantu laba badlala Egypt baya defender. Badlala ne Al Ahly.
Labantu laba badlala iPirates ne Sundowns.
Mfethu labantu laba mfethu ngathi beba disjointed. I understand ukwenzakala uJose uyafika bengibukela ifirst game yakhe Club World Cup. Bose ubona ukuthi ngathi kuba ne structure, sikuba ne philosophy, kuba right, but these things they take time.
Yeah, a project.
You can't just train twice and think,
project.
I have a team. A project.
With Rivero, it's a project.
They don't believe in projects. They don't believe
quick mashesh.
Bafuni Kaizer Chiefs spirit.
But is.
Mlilo amaphepha, mlilo wethishu.
And they've got players, but I'm a player grand. Some of the players beba willing ukudlalela uJose Rivero. But then management, ama legends, supporters,
legend
batizi labo
beba win abo Champions League na League basiropa la. Bese bazozenza ngazuthi manje bona bayi dream team.
Obvious.
Team yabo.
So baphezile mfethu labo bantu. So like I think mfethu baluzi coach la ku Jose Rivero yabo. So if ever phela labo makhi mfethu nabo ngathi basha inquiry phela ku El Padre yabo. Asazi amaruma yabo. But then asazi bakaliya one thing ngicavayo. Kabuya ngayini. Ushilo yena makavanga ngathi
Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think they believe in a project.
Chiefs.
They don't believe in a project. Nona bathi project but isizini yonke asiboni philosophy yakho, asiboni structure se-team ukuthi okay last hamba sesiyaphi.
That one is cooking mkhodu, that one.
There was nothing. Ngiyabuza ngiyathi amambuza uthini philosophy kanaphi. Hayi Kaizer Chiefs.
Abana style of play.
Akana style of play.
Kuninga ama signings wakhe unayo ukuthi okay la.
Do you know why bekafuna ukwenza lento le yenziwa ucoach Sundowns?
Karius.
You just want niggas you know. Yabo? Niggas you know,
But then kanjalo mfethu destroy
because you think
identity ye team.
Exactly. Karius wenza kanjalo ku Sundowns. Phela there was a time we by Sundowns ku AFCON besibona ukuthi okay experience yabo yokudlala ku
Continental
Champions League so nice siyayibona ukuthi na it's happening na ku AFCON but no njengoba le coach ufike angazi wenzani
arrogant leya
angazi wenzani nento ayenzayo mara ayikho right
arrogant leya
le outliyana
le coach arrogant too like I engage nama support ayiwezwa ama support phela team ngama support. One thing that you should know team ngama support abana ama supporter once bakhala management they should know ukuthi ama supporter efantasi bayakhala
angibeka lapha ku Twitter ama supporter Sundowns akhala nge-SD yabo
bakhala ngocoach ne-HD Fleming yena loyo but our business South America la
into engishoyo ukuthi abana project ukuthi yazini last in the project for our
And
national
then
team, for South African football to be in the talks ukuthi yabona mabakhuluma ngabo Spain, Germany, Argentina, mele bathi South Africa. But I don't think ukuthi Sundowns believes in a project. They just want mamele ukuthi Sundowns bafuna Stasis 2, bafuna Stasis 3, bafuna league yi-10, bafuna that's all they care about. Ukuthi okay asenze ne project. Sispanisene ne coach bafana ukuthi okay. A simple example, Spain must win the World Cup. Ama-team wase-Spain bawadlala the same formation as national team. For ukuthi ama-player mawaya ku-national team, they know they're still doing the same thing, but with other top players abawakhethile squadini. So that i-project izoba easy, izoba in the ongoing, in the running, ngiyangithola. So kubafana ku-South Africa bekumele ama-coach baku-PSL maybe bahlaleni banama-meeting maybe once in 2 weeks or whatever. No, ne-coach national team ukuthi yazini coach ufuna kwenzakaleni kube i-project esiza South African football, South African players yini bekumele yenzeke ufuna because of now u-coach bekangafuni ama-player growth, but they had to fetch umshishi because of belingekho iplayer elidlala le position njengoThemba Zwane alikho. Ngithola head ukuthi aforce abanye abantu or abanye maybe bazama abanye maybe yabo bebakhona, but bekayidlala njengaye bekayiphethe bekangekho. So now imagine if bekahlale aspanisana nama-coach if PSL coaches they were like okay asispanini, then the coach would say yazi yabona leya ine potential yokwenza lento lengifuna mangamdlalisa endaweni esomo or nenzini, then for i-national team yonke into izoba grand, izoba i-project ehambayo man ongoing manje hey.
So do you think we're dealing the issue ne I'm a coach wama domestic teams wethu yiwo akhawatha i-build up ilona ye-national team yethu.
Do you know why?
Because of abafuni ukumamela amavizo we-national team coach bayenza ama-meeting because of I remember asafika uHugo he once said ufuna ukwenza i-meeting nama-PSL coaches wonke so that bazokhona ukubuilda something. Lento uyisho yewayisho and then some other teams
bayenzani
baskwile.
Do you know why? We coach
but hayi
dlala 4-4-2.
So basically ngileni impact eke-affecting i-team national team
kabaya because of umbheko uHugo njengoba bedlala lama game esodlala eJune bekakhetha boMbuthuma Kwayiba those players
unknown.
Uyangithola? Do you know why? He knew ukuthi i-potential ikhona la. They just need to push. But uzophusha kanjani coach yakhe kuCharles Bay imtshela ukuthi mfethu manekela ukulebela ungena yenza so, then uHugo yena ufuna ukuthi ayenze njengo simple example uTito esquadini bekadlala more phambi kwe-strike
as a second strike
because of ucoach maybe kamtshela ukuthi
dlalela la iboxing.
I need goals my brother.
Dlalela la iboxing.
Ngiyangithola. And ngiyawabona ukuthi unawo and maybe wena uzibona but ku-Pirates bafuna ukuthi abe more playmaker
yenza igame,
make us play. Ngiyangithola. But if ucoach uJose
no pros
I
think they've bayabaspanisana laba because of mangabheka ama-player mawa-select national team besokudominata i-Paris Nelon ne-Sundowns mangathatha ukubheka phela i-experience ama-team bewadlala i-CAF and then i-Pirates beyiza ngama-youngster. Pirates into ebayenzile grand uku-implementa ukudlalisa amalwana ama-youngsters DTC players most of the time, and I think ngile igaya ama-agency platform and ivula amehlo wamanye ama-team ukuthi you know what i-DTC yethu kumele sispanishe because of he even complimented South Africa iSAF for ukwenza i-league for ama-under 23 i-DTC, of which is DTC is cooking, baba. It's cooking year in year out.
Project has to go
It's cooking, and they know ibeke ulona bani tukutuku makhani imbeke la yangithola because of now he produced so many players.
Parents, they believe in a project.
And I'm like from Dala.
From Bochis boy.
Yeah, from Ngabo Palacios because of now. Exactly. Because of now, Tugutu Vele, product in Pirates. We all know that. So like, I think Vele
project.
Come on, national team Mbogas. They win in PSL. This year or last year, ne?
Now
this
yeah.
No, so
we are releasing another project, you know. Project Dancing. Cool.
Petri.
Dancing shoes.
Petri. So like I think just pan the project there because of Hugo Bros. The first time magafika yi eMzansi. Wathi eGermany they bana ma league ama tournament for all divisions. Couple. So like I think didn't le even impact to yourself with time. Listen so. Because of mangapela no. Our junior divisions with national team. Okay, World Cup qualifier, AFCON, including amantombazane too.
And we are cooking.
Including amushere too.
And we are cooking.
So like, didn't le at least ikaya iMzansi ilona i-courage ukuthi yazini. I know siyazibeka la imepi.
Manje izo cop blockeka mayifika ku PSL.
That's the thing. Because of no phela PSL mfethu ucabanga lama team la they are in it for business now.
Yeah, be there for the business. Be there futhi ukuthi yazini. National team has to do well. And if national team does well, out or wherever international, they will say yazini asine South Africa bafit. Then imarket iskila South Africa izokhuphuka. Then ama players uqala be expensive because of we have top players.
And the very
Rilem is a top player.
They are national
player elingadlala England for a big team for your Arsenal. A player malingaya ku Man City lingashaya because of we that player. You understand? But then uzolimithwa standard. Esenzwa abantu ku football fraternity. Fit. It jive dating.
So like I think in fact la abocoach by PSL maybe they consider offer lona ba because of umadalo yashiya phela yashiya no
and cup bekafuna ukushiya project kube into ongoing
nanoma coach omunye ozayo
azi ukuthi la I mean a project like ucoach watake over iBarcelona after paper view lo bekazi utoya ngishintsha
ngidlala kanje
ngidlala so lento le right my so angishintshe ngicanga ufuna ukwenza
esami styling ngizovele ngicaka
yeah ngiyangithola kancane awuchange anything mfethu ungachange winning team uzenzela nje into zakho bamnandi yonke into right
so like kuningi okwenzakala bafethu azibha into ezenzakala yabo
azibha true.
Yeah, sikhulume senzeni nani but then it's all up to ama PSL coaches ukuthi bayenza kanjani ukuthi like standard PSL si rise even further kula la sekhona. So my chance bafethu lo khona indaba la
uzana
ngithi akuningi
uzana
ngifuna siringe indaba ka Saling.
Yeah.
Mina Pule Saling. Yakhumbula Saling. I remember well last game yakhe Orlando Pirates. Igame lakhona Salwini asidlala ePolokwane City. And then he scored. And then second half azangabuka. Shothi ubuyile 5 minutes after 5 minutes bamkhipha.
We have to give him a kiss.
Alile magesi azangabuka yilo leli elivela vele
akusi last game
sengiyasho like igame leli alidlalile esilwenile leli lona le Polokwane City thami iqala lento yakhe ngabe kahle la azangabe negame eGrand because of now uye waphuma after boma 5 minutes bathi khanda in yada yada and then wabuya ngemagesi iyo ke that's when everything happened.
Wabuya nge-Egypt.
Yeah, bambuyisa last game lakhe le-Egypt le-CAF. Yeah, after that then Saleng went missing. Saleng akekho ejimini. Yeah, Saleng this, Saleng that, yada yada.
Yeah, no, we saw the agent now. See,
yeah, she cooked, man. But I think team ka Saleng, they've handled well indaba ka Saleng, yabo. Because of now, after isikhathi esilanga nje, agent yakhe yavela yaclear yonke into yasibekela yona grand.
Uvele late, uvele sekulethi kumoshakele. Imedia seyithosile yayenzani? Yaringa Blind Pirates, yaringa no sister Blind, yaringa uSaleng Blind, bathi hey why angajimi, why in
because imane TTC.
Yeah, uchimane TTC, ukhole isalary TTC, all those stories. Now the damage has already happened.
But then
Mina, my take is, you know, ukuthi untwana bekangikho crane, mental health, what issues. Maybe umtshelile usister, man, ngikho mnandi, yabo maybe kunento enzakalayo. Maybe asazi, maybe ku-etimini, maybe ekhaya.
Because of obvious ngeke bakhiphe story so.
Yeah, yabo, maybe yabo,
into ezibhaya.
Yeah, yabo maybe into ezibhaya. As agent yakhe, me, if being agent yakhe, wawukho mnandi boy. Alright, maye ufuna ukwenzani? Ibhola mana angikhona ukufocus yabo. Okay, no, akunamnandi. Aziba sorry nganibhakani. Sekubhakani abhekani bafethu. Umntwana ngikho crane, umntwana ngikho mnandi. Kunezinto asadila naso manje usadinga yabo isikhathi. I believe angiyazi ukuthi iPirates bekwi-project and besishisa besisemna but i-state sakhe siza kucala before everything. I believe bazomtshotha okay awukho mnandi boy ufuna sikhafilini uyeva ulungise whatever wathi ngasokhipha i-statement sithi ulimele yangithola bavele sithi ulimele training yo phukile in uzuwa ngeke abe khona for 5 months or 4 months. Then put it out there sonke sesiyakhohlwa ukuthi uSaleng uzoba right speed recovery what then solve whatever yenzakalayo. But then now I feel like probably ubatshelile now bese bamdlalisa cause usign contract.
Exactly.
Maybe usystem uyamtshela ukuthi hey mfethu phela labantu laba ngine relationship egrand na angeke ungimoshele so now uyabona ukuthi yena ngekho grand akusekho phambili sekuphambili ukuthi awusayinile
mele honor contract
mele honor contract nami uzongimoshela relationship yami angazi maybe kuyenzakala something like that then ucoach kulento le Giants
at the end of the day coach mele athathe
decision on the day and sidliwa 3-0 first half ucoach ngeke anesama feelings wa anyone noma ngabe bathi awukho crane phela naye reputation yakhe ukuthi ni coach magesi icede ukufika
and considering the fact ukuthi siza kanje vele only winning streak
ngithola
and i-cup tournament
ngithola
and lapha siye kuyo
wonke umuntu be-expect ukuthi iPirates izowina because of the sheets the way beshisa ngakhona ngithola so obviously ngeke aringe naye grand umbuzile ukuthi ugrand wata ngikho grand it's okay aphuma uva unkotha but then abantu besathe le clip bayenza ngazuthi iPirates vele yiyo vele
you know why abantu bayithathe ngokuthi Rivero no Saleng banama issues bayithathe kanjalo ngidengile kanti le they fixa the whole situation. I think now iGiant idlala irole la egrand because of now we got to know ukuthi like okay Saleng awukho mnandi we know that ukuthi awukho mnandi but then here's the thing uSaleng agent yakhe mayishida uSaleng mfethu bokungasomuntu ufuna ukuvala kuPirates because of he was earning grand because of kuye kaphuma indaba ukuthi Pirates ayibhadala uSaleng grand and this upcoming zihola inyuke ebhaku ndlola eplay lishisa kanti agent yakhe talo umuntu bekahola grand.
There's nothing like that.
Mina hola ka grand.
Ngeke iPirates igawusela inyuke encane. Hayi ngikho that.
Like aswinisa ama cup guys. So like I was like,
mfethu come on.
okay. And VA was stated nadide ngokuthi untwana he even tattooed ilona ibadge Pirate to show ukuthi like uloyal ku Pirate.
That's why into bengisho. Yabo. Ungasathi uyibadge Pirates baka 5000. Ayikho.
So like I was like at media, I think the media idlale irole in terms of yabona media iyo destroy lo mfana consider ukuthi untwana vele udila nenkinga zakhe. Ngide ngiyamcindezela kakhulu.
Mfethu akhona ama player bona ama mental health issues. Danny Rose, I think uTottenham bebamplay space for a year I think. Wahlala for a year angadlala. Wabuya grand wadlala grand. Angithola. Ubani player striker seat sebafana Foster
yeah bamshanga dide ngile yeah.
Angithola. Into bengimeni engisho ukuthi agent uyamthatha untwana Pirates aman simgayine break abe grand lengise i-star player se-Pirates angeke bamalele but
big player
ngithola
and important
teaming and angeke bafuna ukudlalisa umuntu ongekho grand
never vele because uzokhawathi
team
and la matshelo no dintsha ngwabo
yabo namanje kuzoba i-problem
untwana ka go sebeletse yabo so ke ntonyana tsa so like I think lesson this thing kwamanye ama team going forward ukuthi should vele ba face similar situation like asalini badila nayo kanjani bahandle kanjani.
Yeah, they should protect the player.
They protect my player more than anything.
Hey, agent uyahamba uringa ne-team yawo that's protecting i-player because of ayingaphuma le ndaba lela uzoyenza ijoke umuntu angayikho grand.
Exactly. So like maka not just wish ukuthi untwana abe grand because of now the national team yamdinga. Yamdinga. Emthini
asebhenga leya.
Yabhenga imnandi leya.
Yabhenga leya.
I think mele at least abe grand mfethu. I'm just hoping ukuthi la khona lo ku-Orbit. Adlala igame lakhe abuye plus usekasi lakhe anyway.
Yeah, mina I can cook for Salim. Salim, let me cook this for you, my brother. Can cook this for you. Now you're on loan, Orbit. Fix whatever you're going through, ne? Then cook there by Orbit there. Cook, you must cook. Make sure you cook. Bonili winning man of the match, no matter. Yeah. Make sure you cook.
Yeah.
Then January,
Maubola,
come back to your mother team and cook, my brother. It is like right. Cook. World Cup we are nas, and you'll be one of the best players. World Cup.
I'll tell me Peggy, my faith. You'll Peggy the photo. I'll Peggy out here my level to know. I feel as in Salim. I think I'm fit something until I am Buyaka and I am such an impact player at Pirates. I want to play Sunny Creamy, CGM, some land, shot on cherry on top.
Number 14 Waru.
Fit Razama, Ringa Coffee, a sticker in Guas.
Thank you for never said to shout out to Pule. Yeah, he's out there, the Real Bafuking doing bigger things.
Our fitness Bafetu Pule Bafetu Sapume out. Yeah, similar. It's one lane, the Northwest, pushing towards some other project. Probably not even as not to us. Young was Pele MPT. Whoopies, Buffet. Shout out Pule.
Thank you.
Fela, Munati, Bafetu. So next week.
Thank you.
See on next week. Ariero. Tango. That's a rap.